So I used high pressure to wash all this. As you can see, all electric plugs are isolated. I've took off all the electronics. There are no electronics on the car in this moment. The chassis is ready for the final cleaning process. I will have to clean the rust. I have here all I need to destroy all the rust that's on the chassis. I will use these tools right here in the first phase. Then I will use the rust converter. After that I will apply some protection for the future, and I will complete the job with this spray right here to give it a nice look. So let's do this. I will keep you informed. So in this moment I have a free rust chassis. I treated all of his single parts. As you saw in that little demo, first I used the rust converter, then I applied some protection, and in the end some paint. I have three tonalities here because the healthy parts I leave them alone, so I only treated the part of the chassis that was damaged. That's why I have three tone colors here, but as you can see, it's all healthy right now. I can think about the mechanics, about the electronics, music, comfort, and all that other stuff that I promised. So let's keep going.